Here's my little female friend, female king parrot. She's got a bad leg. She's got a bad leg. Look at that poor thing. Not entirely sure how she did it. But she's not the only one that I see with bad legs. They must get caught in something. Caught in wire. Caught in even the twigs of a branch. But I feel very sorry for her. And usually they're in pairs, but she's on her own. Don't know where the male is. But I'll always give her some sunflower seeds. Yes, I think she needs a little bit of extra help. I've seen other ones where their legs have been twisted and the actual claws wither, their feet wither and come sort of drop off, just about. But she's lost that leg. I'm not sure what the future holds for her. Beautiful parrot, the king parrot. I'm lucky where I live that they'll come here, and they're sort of friendly. They're a very friendly bird, a friendly parrot, Australian parrot. Aren't you, eh? You're fearless in a way. I've done a few king parrot videos in my time. Look at that poor little leg there. What on earth happened to you, eh? What on earth happened? I'm in your face a bit, aren't I? I'm in your face a bit, you poor thing. And good luck to you, eh? Good luck to you. Good luck to you, sweetheart. Good luck to you, sweetheart. Your plumage. Alright. Have a nice day.